Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a landing net. First, identify the three main components: the handle, the frame, and the net itself. Take a moment to ensure each piece is clean and free from any wear or tear. Lay them out on a flat, clear surface. This makes the assembly process much smoother and helps you keep track of everything. We want to make sure we have all our pieces ready to go. Next, let's assemble the frame. Many frames come in 2 or 3 sections that screw or click together. Carefully align the pieces and secure them firmly. You want the frame to form a sturdy, open hoop. Give it a gentle shake to ensure there are no wobbly or loose connections. A well-assembled frame is crucial for effective netting, so take your time here. Now, it's time to attach the net mesh to the frame. Carefully align the net's opening with the assembled frame. Most nets have a sleeve or loops that slide over the frame. Gently thread the net's edge onto the frame, working your way around the entire circumference. Ensure the net is evenly distributed and not twisted. This step ensures the net hangs correctly and is ready for use. Finally, perform a few quick checks. Ensure the net is fully open and hangs freely without any twists or tangles. If your net has an extendable handle, test its locking mechanism to ensure it's secure at various lengths. A properly set up net is ready for action. Remember to clean and store your net correctly after each use to prolong its life and keep it in top condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.